A fight to save Robert Roberson from the execution chamber could be in its final stretch. He is set to be executed in about 2 weeks on October 16th.
In 2003, Roberson was convicted of the murder of his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki. Today, a coalition of groups held a news conference at the state capitol, and Roberson's lawyers filed a new legal challenge. KVUE's Daniel Perot is live at the state capitol with more on the calls to re-examine this case. Daniel?
Today here at the Capitol, state lawmakers, pro-life groups, and parental rights advocates gathered to call for a new trial for Robert Roberson. They talked about parental rights when it comes to end-of-life decisions, as well as false allegations of child abuse by doctors. They say both of those things pertain to Roberson's case and the case of so many others across the state of Texas. Roberson was sentenced to death after he was convicted in the death of his 2-year-old daughter in 2003. Prosecutors say she died from shaken baby syndrome, but Roberson's attorneys say that's now widely criticized as junk science. His legal team says he did not have adequate legal representation during the initial trial, and investigators never considered the fact his daughter had a multitude of other medical issues, including pneumonia, that could have led to her death. His legal team and supporters say he deserves a new trial so the new evidence in this case can be heard.
If we kill this man, in the face of this medical evidence and in the face of the medical science, it'll be a stain on our state that will never go away, ever. And history will look back on us and say, what the hell were they thinking?
Today, Roberson's attorneys filed a motion asking the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals to grant him a stay of execution and allow him to file a new federal writ of habeas corpus petition. His lawyers say there is, quote, overwhelming evidence that he was convicted using discredited science. They argue the federal court should step in here and halt the execution because other writ of habeas corpus applications that Roberson's team has filed with the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals months ago still sit untouched. Roberson did not ask for clemency ahead of this execution. His attorney says that would be a grossly inadequate remedy. Throughout his many appeals over the years, the state has maintained that it believes the evidence used to convict him does still hold up. He's set to be executed on October 16th. At the Texas Capitol, Daniel Perot, KVUE News.
All right, Daniel, thank you so much.